so I could save ammo by just throwing shurikens into things. It's probably something I should have figured out, you know, stage 1, but whatever.
Lots of weak points in that armor. Maybe that's why they banished you.
Cold.
I told you. I don't remember what happened.
Maybe they took your memories and put them in another whisperer.
You need to willingly sacrifice a memory to create one of those things. I would never do that.
Or would you? Who knows? Wait, is that how we get the thing? No, there's no way to get over it that way. Is there a way to get up there from down a level? I'm not trusting any panels until we've cleared out this sector. Okay. Why won't you let me over this? I hate you. Fine, invisible wall. Buttons it is.
I think I
Hey,
found us a way
money.
out of this hall.
What did I open? Probably that. Wait, are we back where we were before? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't seem to open anything. Ooh, that actually hurt. Whoops. My bad. Oh, hey. That's new. No, it's not. So we got out before. Okay, how much do we have to backtrack? I don't think that's what we were supposed to do. Maybe it was. I don't know. Okay, that opens for me. Doop 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 doop. This looks pointless. It is. My bad. Yeah, I just went this route like 10 minutes ago and I already forgot which way we're going. So down. All the way down just takes you to where problems are. Elevator up. Yeah, you have infinite shurikens. You're a ninja. Plenty of shurikens in every orifice. Never leave home without them. Okay, so we did this. Was the anchor... Okay, that wasn't too long of a retrace. I'm sorry I suck. I'll try better next time. Please let me stay in the family. Yeah, this was the way out. Okay. Did this. We turned off this. We went up this. That just connects back to this. Again, don't jump down the middle. That was bad. I guess we want to connect back to this. Yeah, okay. Like, we pressed that button, I didn't see what it did. Ah, okay. Yep, enemies usually mean progress. Okay, progress. Now what? Alright, continue backtracking it is. Fine, whatever. That's where it came in. Okay, so back up here. That opened this, I guess? Yeah, it would appear to be it. Otherwise, I would have found that box. Are you kidding me? Oh, he's big. Oh, man. Oh. Should probably heal up. Apparently I can hit him from up here. Ah, nice complete whiff there. Oh, that was problematic. Oh, hi. Go away.
This was a video game, that would have been worth a shitload of points.
Oh, wait, that's a head. I'm curious what that head does. I learned that ability ages ago and haven't picked up any heads large enough to use, apparently. Woo, 4.5. Because I'm a cool guy who does cool things with cool guns. Take that. Have a heart on me? I do now. Oh, okay. That was fun. Oh, that's it. Just blew a hole in the wall and there's nothing much there. I think technically it's only a fourth wall break if he directly addresses it, but it's definitely a fourth wall nod. It's pressing. It's tapping at that fourth wall like, hey. But semantics. Cute nonetheless. Keep it clean. I didn't even notice that when we came in. I've seen it some other places, but okay. You probably, well, you probably can't avoid that fight because you probably still have to clear to open the door. What is all this? Oh, hey, there's some of the free goodies. I'll take it. Oh, hey, we got karma. That's right. Let's karma up. Oh, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Wonder if we'll use it, get at least 1 point in it. Probably get Drain Soul next. Alright, ugh. Can I climb over these? Yes! Oh, really? What is all this, then? I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Oh, hey! Free stuff. Was good? I'm not bad. I'm not bad. Ha ha. Right, Dormy. And that's it. I think we're going to wrap that up there for tonight. Should be back to my normal Wednesday evening time for this next week. But 7-11 on the mission score. Oh, well. Got all the crystals though. That's what's important.